In this video, I want to compare my $200 investment in Stablefund versus my $200 investment in Optimus. It's been about 2 weeks and I want to share the results with you guys. Which project has made more money than the other? So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hey, what's going on guys? It's Eric here and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day and are doing well. We are taking a look at my $200 investment in Optimus and comparing that to the $200 investment in Stablefund. It's been about 2 weeks since I invested this amount of money in both of these projects, and back then we had made some predictions or projections on how much money I would potentially have in these two projects. So it's been about 13 days or 12 days actually, because a 13th day is actually today. So if we take a look at the projections we had, I started with $200 in both of these, and Stablefund, there is a bit of a tax or a fee when you do deposit in Stablefund. So my $200 was actually only $194, and I'm getting 1.5% daily on that $194. So if we just take a look at Stablefund, this is my position on it. We're talking about this one here. That was my original $200. There is a 3% fee. So that means that was $6 taken off of my original deposit. So I am earning 1.5% on the $194, which amounts to about $2.91 per day. Now I have been taking profits, which is why the profits here only shows a 13. I've obviously made a bit more than that, and I have been in Stablefund with this investment for more than just 2 weeks. As we can see, there's only 3 days left in my lockup period, and initially when you do deposit in Stablefund, there is a 28-day lockup period. So it just goes to show that I've been in this one for about 25 days. Now, if we take a look at the Optimus calculations, as we know with Optimus, there aren't any fees, no taxes. You can come in and out as you wish. But the key difference here is that Optimus is offering 1% daily in their native token, which is the OPT2 token. Now, of course, that token can either go up or down in price. I understand they have bots to keep it in a certain range, but if we just take a look at September 26th, this is when I made that other video. If we take a look at this video, I put in $200, as I said, and I had 142.67 OPT2 tokens. Now, that was back on September 26th, and as we take a look, the price of OPT2 was sitting around $1.39. Now, going back to the chart here, we can see that this was right around here where OPT2 was around $1.39, and it has gone up to about $1.49 today. It even reached about $1.55 just a few days ago. So it definitely has appreciated in value, which is also going to affect the amount you make in terms of US dollars. So going back to these projections here, these projections are basically based on a stable price of OPT2 tokens, which was $1.39. And this is basically auto compounding on a daily basis, because if we go back to the Optimus dashboard, we can see that your daily interest is 1%. And you guys are probably going to wonder, well, Eric, you have now about $500 in your wallet on OPT2. That's because I went ahead and deposited $250 extra into my position. But again, I can still track the OPT2 of that $200 initial investment. So now that we have all of that out of the way, leave a comment down below which project do you think has made me more money in the span of the last 2 weeks. I'm curious to see your guys' thoughts on this. But if we go ahead and we understand what exactly happened, we're going to take a look at Stablefund first. It's super easy to understand this one. So Stablefund, it's giving me $2.91 every single day. So as we can see, all the way up to yesterday, we had a total amount in Stablefund of $228.92. As you guys know, I put in $200 in there, so I made about $29 in the span of the last 2 weeks. Now, if we take a look at Optimus and we do the same exercise here, we have to understand that your Optimus tokens in your wallet are automatically compounded on a daily basis at a 1% rate. So over the last 2 weeks, I've made about 17 OPT2 tokens. And if we take a look at the different variations in price of OPT2, it started at $1.39. As I said, it went up in the $50s. And right now, as I'm making this video, it's around $1.49. So if we take a look at how much that $200 investment is now worth, we can now see that that is worth $237.17. So as we can conclude, Optimus has made more money than Stablefund over the last 2 weeks, and this is basically because of the price of OPT2 has gone up by about 10 cents. Now, just to play devil's advocate, and let's say I was leaving the price consistent throughout the last 2 weeks, we can obviously see that it would be a lot more in line with the projections we had. We would be seeing that Stablefund in that case would obviously be making more money because it's rewarding 1.5% daily as opposed to the 1% Optimus does. But it's super important to keep in mind that the price of OPT2 can fluctuate up or down. Of course, they have bots to maintain a certain range. But with that being said, we can see that Optimus was the winner of the first 2 weeks. I'm going to keep tracking this as it continues to evolve. Again, it's not financial advice. I haven't taken any money out on Optimus, so I can't really call these profits. It's basically unrealized gains at this point. Stablefund, I have been taking money out every single week, and I've also deposited more money into it, so I have been taking some profits out. But on the Optimus side of things, I've also added to my position, but right now I am just continuing to compound this position. So nothing I say here is financial advice. Let me know your thoughts on both of these projects. I wanted to do this series because both of these are actually using trading bots in order to generate revenue for their protocol. We can see Optimus has generated about 1.9 million in terms of revenue, and Stablefund has also generated a lot of money with their bots. Again, we don't have any transaction record to confirm this, but all that to say is that it has been producing this type of reward for about 5 months. That's on Stablefund, and Optimus has been around for about 1 month or even a bit more than 1 month. So do your own research if you want to invest in any of these, but I wanted to share the results over the last 2 weeks with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.